Hi guys, so the information reaching us now is that billionaire businessman and entrepreneur Emoney has been arrested by the EFCC for money mutilation. You guys remember that somewhere early last year, Cubana chief priest suffered the same thing, and truly, Verydarkman is saying that he's beginning to believe that they say that these people are against the Igbos in Lagos is actually true. Well, I don't know how that might sound, because this particular video here actually took place in Abuja. This particular video that is showing where Emoney was actually spraying flavor pounds and dollar. Now they say he did money mutilation, like he matched naira while he was spraying this particular money at this event. Well, let me not say too much. I'll allow you guys listen to Verydarkman and the whole analysis he has to give about this particular issue.
So as I speak to you now, Emoney is currently in detention at the EFCC as I speak to you now. I know say EFCC go, they wonder how I take find out, but like I said, I got eyes everywhere. Do you understand? I get informants for everywhere. So allegedly, yesterday, about 50 men stormed Emoney's house, and that was how they arrested him. Now, why did they arrest him? Because of this video. Now, as you can see in this video, Emoney they spray flavor pounds for Obi Cubana birthday. EFCC carry him not because he spray money, because according to them, as in they spray pounds, in leg can't touch naira. In leg they on top naira. That's why they arrested him. They say it is naira mutilation. Say in leg touch naira. So person won't go spray pounds. He go they look ground before he go spraying pounds. For a party where crowd they making the look ground. Meanwhile now, Okoya Pikin, Yoruba man Pikin, Okoya Pikin, he do naira mutilation where even the first PRO talk. Say this is naira mutilation. They can't arrest the policeman where they did. They invite Okoya Pikin, nothing was done. Now so that case don't go. But now you go Emoney house, go pick Emoney. Say leg mistakenly touch naira. That's why you picked him up for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, you no touch him. I'm beginning to believe this story that you people are against the Igbos in this Lagos. I don't believe I'm slow. There's a conspiracy against the Igbos. And you know the craziest part? According to my investigation, that EFCC commander where they for a lorry, now they don't carry come Lagos now. That one where we say they involved for that easy tea, this thing, where they take carry easy tea from Lagos, go Ilori, go lock out for over 8 days for messaging will kiss. Now in don't day now. So maybe as they don't do money now, they'll say, hey, that one too na Igbo, but na lie. I see a tribal game going on. Okoya Pikin do. They say no, up to now. But now don't go carry Igbo man. The other day when I carry Isoko man, Terry Apala for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, they never still touch him up to now. So you see how corrupt EFCC are. And I keep saying this thing, I know the year. But I don't blame them. They can do this because a lot of Nigerians are also in support. You remember Okoya children time? And they talk and they say, ah, Verydarkman, you don't know Okoya, they get Nigeria. In fact, they borrow to Una empower that character. Una empower, now they don't go carry another person. Of course, Emoney never borrowed Tinubu money before now. But you see, slowly, you go touch all of now. As soon as no one talk. Now, I'm not a fan of Emoney. I don't even like him at all. I don't like his lifestyle. I don't even want to know him. But, Mona release Emoney. If you people cannot take Okoya's children to court, why are you harassing everybody, bro? Why? Why? Is the law different? Why? And Emoney, who you don't offend, because this one be like set up. Who you don't offend, you better go and check. But release Emoney. Release him. If you cannot hold Okoya's children, you have no right to hold any Nigerian anywhere. You have no right. Let Emoney go. Let Emoney go. Let Emoney go. Now again to celebrities. They are purposely targeting a lot of you. Purpose is deliberate. So that they will not show Nigerians that they are working. They are not working. These people are very corrupt. EFCC are the most corrupt people. Like I said, I be first say 70%. 90% of them are corrupt. When they are ready to let me prove it, I'll prove it to them. They should come and say, Verydarkman defame EFCC. Let's go to court. Let us go. I will prove it that 90% of you are corrupt. Release the money. And celebrities be watchful as they go. When I'm not going to spray money, if they don't pass them as law, no problem. I'm not going to tell you to break the laws. There's never mutilation laws, no problem. But the pattern at which you are using a pattern to follow it, and celebrities are the target. Economic and Financial Crime Commission, when I don't follow politicians, governor thief money, they don't leave them. Okowa now own still dey there. Nobody they talk. You don't join APC now. Not his talk. You don't go carry money. Tomorrow now, who you go carry? Tomorrow now you go carry. Make us spray Ramona touch me. Corrupt people, thieves, now na be. Release the money, release the money, release the money. Tribal bigots. The oga said for EFCC said na even Yoruba join said. Release the money. Else you're gonna learn, and you will learn the hard way. Injustice for one is injustice for all. Peace.
Money they talk, no be.
That's why when people are saying that Igbos should come back to their hometown and invest, build properties, establish companies so that the people in the East will have something for themselves, a lot of them don't really understand. But the reality is really set. These people might not really like you the more you are. Look at the Okoya children. They did almost the same thing. Even with Naira, it was spreading around, but nobody arrested them. They were not then. They were not charged to court for any issue. We all know that this whole thing is a plot to extort money from this guy. They might look like, okay, this guy is rich and he's showing it out. Anyway, well, in the comment section, I'd like you guys to share your own thoughts. Tell us what you thought about this video. See you guys in my next video, guys.